I beheld the amazing sights. By the time you are done watching this video, you would have seen that I'm not just exaggerating or hyping it. It was divine. Oh my god, I'm tired. I don't remember the last time I ran like this. 24 hours in Enugu, guys. Touchdown.
We are hungry. We want some snacks to eat. Some drink.
Okay, guys, let me confess. I'm a foodie and Enugu did not disappoint. Let's get something to eat. Let's do bread and akara.
Gluten. Baby.
This is 10 p.m. in Enugu and everywhere is dry. It's gonna be a long and an adventurous day for us. Guys, we are at Milliken Hills. Okay.
This Milliken Hill has the coal tunnel. There are 2 coal mines down there. Just underneath. So this community was one of the foremost communities that had a lot of European tourists. They love the nature they found. There's the parents' houses are out there, stayed here, and they supervised the coal mining operation down there.
We're here at the Awhum. We just stopped for a while for them to, I think, to assess us before going in. As a lady, you have to be fully dressed like a gown or a skirt for them to permit you, or you come with extra wrapper. So we came fully prepared. Let's go.
I'm also a video bombing. Always.
Yeah. We're about walking down. We have to walk about an hour to get to the waterfall. So guys, luckily for us, we're not the only people that came for this tour today. As you can see, there are other tourists like us that came to see the Awhum waterfall.
A few moments later.
Go down to me, search. You don't want to know what is happening behind us right now. So this situation right now is survival of the fittest. They are group, like when I mean crowd here. So we had to hasten up and rush to be amongst the first people that get to that waterfall. Because if they get there before us, we won't even see space to do what we came for. And this is us trying to rush and make way to the waterfall before anybody else. And this is crazy because the road is not smooth. It's sloppy.
Move it!
Jog on this spot. Oh my god, that feeling. We're finally here. You have to walk slowly this is the tunnel that leads to the waterfall. Okay. Can you hear the water? Can you hear it? Just look at it. Oh my God. Guys, I can't believe it. We are here.
My God, it's a treasure from the waterfall.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe I walked my way back here. Jesus. You'll be wondering why I have my slippers on. It was paining me at some point. I had to do everything I could to make sure I get to the starting point. And this is where we started our journey from, all the way down to the Awhum waterfall. And guys, I can say that. Am I happy? Of course, I'm happy. I'm very, very happy I experienced this. I explored this, and I could say it's off my list. But am I tired? I'm extremely tired and exhausted. But I'm sure you would love here when you visit. And that to say, this is the end of my trip to Awhum Waterfall, and I'm excited. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and tell me if this is a place you think you would love to visit. Let's have the conversation in the comment section. Bye.